channel. If today is your first time here, I promise you a track full of fun. Thank you for stopping by, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your amazing support. Okay? Punctuation marks. In today's video, we are going to look at the commonly used punctuation marks in Igbo language. Okay? But before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell beside it, so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Okay? Good. The first on our list today is the question mark. The question mark in Igbo, we call that Akala Ajuju. Akala Ajuju. That is the question marks. Remember, our topic for today is Akala Edemede. That is punctuation marks in Igbo language. So the first on our list in keys is a bu. Akara Ajuju. That is the question mark. The question mark. The second on our list today is the full stop. Full stop. That is bom. Bom. The full stop. Then next we have the semicolon. Bom recon. Bom recon. Then the colon itself, we call that bom bom. Bom bom for the colon. We also have the comma. The comma, we call it recon. Recon. Then the last but not the least for today is the apostrophe. The apostrophe is called rikomenu. Rikomenu. That is the apostrophe. Okay? So let's repeat ourselves. Remember, our topic for today is punctuation marks in Igbo language. Yes. Let's repeat ourselves, okay? The first one, we have the question mark. The question mark. Akala Ajuju. Akala Ajuju. Then the full stop. We have bom. Bom in Igbo. Okay? Bom for the full stop. Then we have the semicolon. The semicolon is bom recon. Bom recon. Okay? Then the colon itself, we call that bom 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 for the colon. We also have the comma. The comma is called recon. Okay? The comma is called recon. And the last but not the least for today is the apostrophe. The apostrophe is called rikomenu. Rikomenu. Okay? And that brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button, turn on your notification bell, and hit the subscribe button, so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll always be the first to be notified. Bye!